Hello, this is Nima Sultani, Master Weaver with Passion of Persia. What I'm doing right now is repairing a 55 Raj Mahi Tabriz. I'm doing a technique because the first wefts broke. If you want to come in and look in to what I'm doing here, I went ahead and took the liberty of setting up, and I have to pull. You can see that I'm using a gold-plated tip fine rug needle. And then right here, let me just fix that. Had a little problem. And right here. So what this does is basically you can see right here is starting to break. And this is just going to be foundation support so it doesn't worsen. Here's the next one. Right next door. Okay. Oh yeah, that's hard. Where's my plier? And you will bleed. It will cut you. It's okay. You're not gonna. Oh, that's hard. You can interact with me on Facebook at Passion of Persia Rug Repair, or just online at passionofpersia.com, or give us a ring at 602-374-6973. Thank you.